Okay, so welcome muli sa Axel Engineering. Ang topic natin ngayon is how to prepare bar cutting slash bar bending schedule. So ito yun, ito part 1 lang. So before I continue, please subscribe, like, and share. So magsisimula yan muna sa plano. So mag-analyze tayo ng frame. So ang ating i-analyze na frame ay ito. Yan. So ito yung plan, ito yung section. So, para mas madali maintindihan doon sa mga... By the way, ang video na to is for beginners, for newly grad CE, or for those who are interested in the field of construction. But for the veteran engineers, civil engineers, with experience in doing this video is not for you, okay? So, wait, let us continue. So, ito yung frame. Yan, this is the frame that we are going to do the schedule of bar bending and cutting, okay? So, you can do the screenshot now. Going back to the plan, overall length is 9.4, width is 4, spacing of columns 3 meters. Okay, on center. The section of columns is 400 by 20, that is 0.4 meter by 0.2, and the beam is 200 by 400. Okay. So, ito ngayon yung kung paano natin ilalatag or how we're going to make the top bar and the bottom bar arrangement. So, ang section ng beam, ito, ang top bar, 216 diameter. Two pieces, 16 diameter for top and bottom bar. And the stirrup is 10 diameter, spaced at 100 mm. Okay, so ang concrete cover, of course, for all the section, that would be 40 mm or 0.04 meter. Okay, so let us now analyze the first, yung clear span. So let us take the clear span. Importante ang clear span. Clear span is 3 meters minus 0.4. 0.4 of course is 0.2, 1 half of the column. Since we have 2 times 0.2, it will be 3 meters minus 0.4 meters. And will give us 2.6 meters. Okay? So let us analyze now the number of stirrups. The number of stirrups will be 2.6 clear span divided by the spacing. Okay? 0.1 plus 1. That is the general formula. So, clear span divided by spacing plus 1 will give us 27 times 3. Why 3? Because 3 spans. And the total is 81 pieces. Okay? After this, punta na tayo ngayon sa, i-isolate na natin yung mga yung drawing niya. Okay? So, for the stirrups, ito ang itsura niyan. So, nilagyan ko na ng label A, B, C, D. Analyze natin ang A. A equals C. AC, A and C is equals to 400 mm minus 80. Saan galing to? What do we get this? 400, the depth, minus 80, 40, covering at the top, 40, covering at the bottom. Okay? That is AC. And would give us 320 mm or simply 0.22 meters. 400 minus 80 is 320 would give us 0.22 meters. So D equals B. That is 200 minus 80. So 200, the width, minus covering, 40, 40, 200 minus 40 minus 40 would give us 200 minus 80. And that is 120 mm, which is simply 0.12 meter. Okay? So E equals F, and that is the standard 50 mm or 0.05 meter. Okay? So this is for the stirrup. For the top bars and bottom bars, we will name this A, B, and C. Okay, A equals C. The hook, that is 12 diameter. That is 12 times 16 bar diameter. Okay? 16 bar diameter, 16 mm for the top bar and bottom bar. Okay? would give us 192. So, let us say 200. Pwede mo siyang, we can use higher than 192, but we cannot use lower than 192. So, it is easy to lay out 200 or maybe a little higher than 200. In this example, I will use 200, which is simply 0.2 meters. So, ANC now is 0.2 meters. Let us go now to B. So, the measurement of B from the hook will be 9.4. This 9.4 minus 40 would give us 9.4 minus 0.08. And that is 9.32 meters. Okay? So that is now the length of B. So let us get the total length TB. And since TB is the same as BB, so TB is equals to A plus B plus C, simply 9.32 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 is 9.70. Okay? Bakit natin kinuha to? Why do we get this total length? In order to analyze or to determine the nearest commercial length available to be used. Since this is 9.72, the nearest available is 10.5. And 10.5 minus 9.72 will give us less than a meter. So that's the wastage. Okay? So now, after knowing all this data, we will tabulate this. Tabulate na natin. Lagay natin yun siya sa table. So ito yung kanyang, ito yung sarili kong estilo to. Ang bawat river engineer may kanya-kanyang style. Ito yung estilo ko. So, ilalagay ko sa table of structure, ang markings, ang dimensions, A, B, C, D, E, F. Ito yun. Yan. Yung mga yan. Yung mga pinagagawa natin na yan. Dito natin siya ilalagay ngayon. Okay? Ang kanyang pieces per set. Paano malalaman yung pieces per set? Dito yan. Malalaman. Okay. So, ang one set natin ay yung isang beam na yun. Ito yun. Yung isang hilera na yan. That's one set. Ilang pieces ang top bar? 2. Ilang pieces ang bottom bar? 2. Kaya yan ay naging ganyan. 2 pieces top bar, 2 pieces bottom bar. So, how do we now? Stirrup, ST. Ang marking niya is ST. Okay? So, i-analyze natin ngayon. So, for beam A, yan, ang top bar niya, at bottom bar, ito yung mga dimensions yung nalagay na natin. So, sa top bar, ito. Yan, di ba? 0.2 ang A, tsaka C. At ang B niya is 9.32. Ilalagay natin yan dito. We will put that here. 0.2, 9.32, 0.2. Again, okay? Since top bar is the same as bottom bar, so copy, just copy, okay? The same. So stirrup, we will go to the ST or the stirrup. The dimensions are 0.32, 0.12, 0.22, 0.12, 0.05. Where do we get this? Ito. Okay. All these values we will put in the table. Okay. So ilang siyang pieces per set? Oh, ayun. Here, 81. Lahat na yan per set. It's one set. Okay, that is 81. Okay, 81. So, since pareho lang ang A, beam A, same as beam B, so we will just copy. Okay, so beam A, one set, one set, one set, also for B. Okay, ito yung set, ito yung set, yung set. O, beam A ay one set, ang beam B ay one set. Okay, para hindi malito, beam A, one set, beam B, one set. Okay, yan. So, ito na, multiply mo lang. Ang total length will be, ito na kasi naka-Excel formula to eh. So, pero itong total length nito, add mo lang to, add A plus B plus C times mo sa pieces per set times mo sa set. So, multiply lang yan. A plus B plus C times 2 times 1 equals ito. Ulitin ko ha, add, then after you add, i-multiply mo dito. Okay? I-multiply mo rin dito. This is the answer. Or simply, ayan, nakaano siya, naka-formula. Yan ang formula niya, the sum of A, B, and C. Okay? So, ito na yun. Sum nito. Okay? So, same na rin dito yan. So, pati rin dito yung sum niya. Multiply mo dito, multiply mo dito. Okay? So, since formulated naman to, lahat yan automatic lalabas na. Pero kung wala kang Excel, yun ang gagawin mo. If you don't have Excel, you add, then after adding, multiply this to 2 pieces per set and 1 set. So, do we get 2 pieces per set? Here. 2. Okay, ang top bar, 2. Ang bottom bar. Okay, 2. Ang top bar, 2. Ang bottom bar. Okay? Where do we get 81? Ayan. Na, malinaw. Ito yung galing. 2.6 divide spacing na 0.1. So, equals 27 times 3. Okay? So, yan. For that, makukuha mo na lahat ng kanyang total length para sa set na dalawang para sa bawat set. Okay? Ulitin ko, ang formula natin, total length, ito, is equals to sum nito, then multiply, and multiply. Okay, ito na ang sagot. Same procedure for all the columns. Okay? Now, we will use the 10.5 commercial length. Paano natin nakuha to? Dahil dito, ina-analyze natin kanina. The closest available commercial length for 9.72 meter total length of A plus B plus C, the top bar and bottom bar will be 10.5. Okay? Then, ito na ang pinaka-importante. Ilan ang i-order mong pieces? So, ito, para makuha mo ito, kung ilang pieces is total length divided by 10.5. That would give us 1.85 or 2. Repeat, total length divided by commercial length is equals to number of pieces to be ordered. Okay? 19.4 divided 10.5 is 185. Rounded off to 79.38 divided by 6. Gagamitin natin commercial length para sa stirrup, 6. So, 13 pieces. 13.23, round up mo, 14 pieces. So, ito ngayon, isa-summary mo siya. Ilang 16 diameter ang gagamitin mo? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Ayun, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8 pieces. You will order 8 pieces of 16 diameter. And for the 10 diameter stirrup, you will order 14 plus 14 will give us 28. So, this number of pieces is good for beam A and beam B. For the top bar, bottom bar stirrups, para dito yan. Okay. Sa dalawang set na yan. Okay. So, ito. So, you can do the screenshot now. Okay. Do the screenshot. Okay. Plan view section. Then the rebar. The cutting and bending. Okay. The measurements. Okay. Of course, this is the frame. And the table. And the summary. So, I hope may natutunan kayong bago guys. At hanggang sa muli.